In today's video, I'm going to be continuing what we started in our last video, which I'm explaining how to earn money online doing simple social tasks. For those who are coming across this channel for the very first time, this video is a continuation of the last video. I've explained everything in detail. So we are going to look at how I got to this very point. You can see it is approved, and we are going to see the job details. The link will be in the description box of this video. Just click it, it will bring you to this very platform. Then you create your account. In less than 2 seconds, you are done. So how do you get to this very point? If you come to this very point, by the time you get to your sign up, all you have to do is come to this account, then click task I completed. By the time you click task I completed, it's going to show you, bring you to this very point where you get to see the task you've completed. If you scroll down, you can see this is it. This is the main task here. You can see it is approved. You can see the money is 15 naira here for this very simple task. Then I'm going to convert it, you get to see. Then if I come down here, if I come back to the tax, if I scroll down, you get to see the details of the tax. So you can see, give me a review. So I'm going to show you how I did everything. So you can see, use a translator or whatsoever. So we use AI to generate the what is expected here. Then you can see everything. After we submitted, check that video, you get to see everything. So this is just a summary recap. Then you can see submitted proof. You can see what I wrote and everything. Then follow the pattern, and then this is the screenshot of the proof. That is how I was able to be approved for this very tax, and the money is actually in my wallet now. So there are a host of other tax when you go to this very particular platform that has more money than this, but I decided to pick this one, just a little show to prove to you people. You can see it is approved. So all you have to do is, by the time you come back to your wallet, you can see, if I come back to my wallet, how do you arrive at this very point? All you have to do is come to this wallet, click here, click this very point, then it's going to show you here. Then you scroll down. By the time you scroll down, you get to see it, all your earnings. You can see the earning here. This is 50 naira here. So I'm going to convert it to my normal currency now. I come to this very point that says transfer earnings. When I click transfer earning, you can see the 15 naira here. So very simple. If I click transfer, so you can see it's telling me transfer successful. Then if I come back here, you can see it has transferred. So it has gone to this very point. It's going to reflect here now. So if I come down here, you can see the money has gone up here. So it has added here. So if you want to withdraw, all you have to do is click withdraw here now. You can see they are telling me you can withdraw earning when you have so you can see. So all you have to do is, by the time I put the amount here, everything will be withdrawn. So you can see submit withdrawal request. If I click submit now, I'll put my account details and the money will get to my account in less than a few seconds. For you to access more tax in this particular platform, all you have to do is come to available jobs, click here. So if you come down, you can see more jobs. Some of them go for 70 something, 80 something, 200 plus. So depends on the ones you can do with few minutes, few seconds. And this very one I just showed you, it took me less than 24 hours for it to be approved. You can actually see this is approved. So please check the video before this one, or I'll link the link to that particular video in the description box of this video, so that you can watch it to see how I did everything step by step. More will be coming. So you see, when it comes to making money online, you need information, and beyond just the information, you need to get enough training so that it will make it very easy for you to be able to be smart on how to get this thing done. You cannot be smart if you don't have this information available. So please do well to check the video, check the channel. I have more information coming that you strongly get to appreciate it. So let me prove to you. Let me go back to the tax now. If you remember, you can see the tax here. Get this review. So look at it. Look at the review I submitted. You can see the review here, and I gave the 4-star rating. Then I click post. Then I screenshot it and then submitted it here for the person. If I come down here, you can see this is what I wrote, and then you can see the proof. So thank you for being there. Catch you in my next video as I continue to bring you more information that will really help you to make money online. Thank you once again. So remember, you can also post this as a job for other people to do while you pay them to boost your business performance on Google. So this is for a Google tax, Google review. You can see the name of the company here. So you can provide this as a service to people that need it, and then you get to be charging them for it. So there are so many opportunities out there. It's left for you to get access to some of these things. Subscribe to the channel and follow my page so that I continue to bring you more information.